If you are watching this video, it means that you have a WordPress website and you receive a lot of spam comments on your blog sent directly to your email inbox. How do you stop these auto-generated spam comments targeted on your WordPress blog? In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to stop these spam messages for good on your WordPress blog without installing any plugin. Stay tuned. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubestudio.com. Hi. This is freelance and business. If you're new on this YouTube channel, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog on cheption.com to learn more about what I offer. Now let's get into today's video. To stop spam comments on your WordPress blog, log into your WordPress site as admin. From your WordPress user dashboard, click on Settings and select Discussions. On the new page, you can adjust your blog comment settings. This is where you do the magic. For instance, if you are currently receiving emails when one posts a comment and is helpful for your moderation and you don't want to continue receiving them, hover your mouse to the section that says email me whenever, then uncheck the box that says email me when anyone posts a comment. When you do this, you'll not receive emails when people post comments on your blog. This is very helpful if your site is connected to your work email. But if you want to stop spam comments and only receive genuine ones on your WordPress site, ensure that every user is logged into your WordPress in order to comment. To do this, check on this box here that says users must be registered and logged in to comment under other comments settings. This is the most important setting you need to change. When I did this one, I no longer receive spam comments on my blog like I used to with links to pornographic and gambling sites. I receive only genuine comments now. You can make other adjustments like avatars below here. When done adjusting your blog settings, click on Save Changes. And that is it. You have successfully stopped spam comments on your blog. Only serious users with WordPress account can comment on your articles going forward. I hope you found this video helpful. Like it and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog on cheption.com to learn more about me. And until next time, bye bye and take care. Follow me on social media for updates each time I post a video. My name is Cheption Mutai. Thank you for watching this video. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubestudio.com.